Agents, welcome back to headquarters. I hope you are ready because we have a code red situation on our hands. For years, students across the world have been getting trapped by two notorious villains, LCM and HCF. But today, that confusion ends. Today, we are cracking the code. Here is your first mission. Case file #01. Listen closely. Two bells are ringing. One rings every 4 seconds. The other rings every 6 seconds. They just rang together now. The question, after how many seconds will they ring together again? To solve this, do you use LCM or do you use HCF? Most students guess, but agents don't guess. They calculate. Hold that thought. We will solve this case file by the end of this video. Why is this mission so hard? I have seen the intel. First, you mix them up. You forget which step belong to which method. Second, no concept clarity. You memorize the rules, but you don't know why they work. And third, when you see a word problem, you freeze because you don't know which tool to use. If that sounds like you, don't worry. We are going to fix all the three steps right now. Unlocking the code. Your two master keys. To break this code, you need two master keys. Key 1 is LCM. Think of this key as time machine. It helps you find the next time things will happen together. Key 2 is HCF. Think of this key as a slicer. It helps you find the largest group you can cut things into. Let's master them one at a time. Master key 1. The least common multiple, LCM. Let's calibrate key #1. LCM stands for least common multiple. The definition is simple. It is the smallest number that is divisible by all your given numbers. Think about it. It's the first multiple they have in common. Look at the numbers 3 and 5. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, and 15. Boom! 15 is the first match. That's your LCM. The division method. But listing multiples take too long for big numbers. In exam, you use the division method. Let's find out the LCM of 4 and 10. Step 1. Write them down. Divide by the smallest common prime number. That's 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Step 2. Can we divide again? No. 2 and 5 have no common factors. Step 3. The L-shape sweep. Multiply the divisor 2 by the remainders 2 and 5. The LCM is 20, fast and efficient. Now, key #2, HCF. This stands for the highest common factor. Here, we are exactly looking for the greatest numbers that divides your numbers exactly. Look at this real life scenario. You have 48 students and 60 students. You want to split them into equal teams. You want the maximum number of teams possible. Maximum splitting. That is a classic HCF job. For HCF, listing factors is slow. We will use the long division method. It looks like a loop. Watch closely. Let's find the HCF of 12 and 18. Step 1. Divide the big number 18 by the small number 12. 12 goes into 18 one time. The remainder is 6. Step 2. Here, here is the secret trick. That remainder 6 becomes the new boss. it becomes the divisor, and the old divisor 12 moves inside the house. Step 3. 6 goes into 12 two times, remainder is 0. The moment you hit 0, stop. The last divisor you used is your answer. The HCF is 6. You know the official method. Now do you want the cheat codes? Use these to speedrun your exams. LCM hack. If one number is multiple of other like 6 and 12, the LCM is just the bigger number 12. HCF hack. For those same numbers, the HCF is the smaller number 6. No math required. Consecutive number hack. For numbers like 7 and 8, LCM is just their products. 7 times 8 is equals to 56. HCF is always 1. Memorize the slide. This is the most important part of the whole video, the decision engine. How do you know which key to use in a word problem? You look for clues. Use LCM if you see together again, simultaneous, or next time. You are looking for a future common event. Use HCF if you see maximum, largest, distribute, or split. You are looking to break things down. Snapshot this screen. This is your map. Mission completed. Let's go back to our first mission. The bells, when they will ring together again. Consult the decision engine. Together means a future event. That means LCM. We need the LCM of 4 and 6. Using the division method, factors of 2, remainders of 2 and 3. 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Case closed. They will ring together again after 12 seconds. Final mission, agent certification round. You are ready. Let's get you certified. I am going to flash 3 questions. You have 10 seconds. Go. LCM of 6 and 9. It's 18. Question of 2. HCF of 16 and 24. It's 8. Question 3. Word problem alert. You want to cut ribbons into the maximum possible length. LCM or HCF? Maximum means HCF. Did you get 3 out of 3? Let me know in the comments. Exam room ready, your final briefing. Final briefing before you go. Guaranteed question. LCM and HCF are almost always on the exam. Show your work, especially for the division method, even if the answer is wrong. The steps get you marks. The power rule. Remember, LCM takes the highest power of factors. HCF takes the lowest power of common factors. Avoid mistakes, don't mix them up. The code is cracked. Congratulations. Maths isn't just about memorizing rules. Agents, it's about learning how to think clearly. Today you didn't just learn a chapter, you became a master problem solver. Mission completed. But your training isn't over. The next level is applying this to complex word problems. If this video helped you think clearer, hit the like button, subscribe to be ready for the next mission. See you in the field, agents. Host salutes.